Lamsogo joto nai tongnai my contest Tripura YouTube channel kaisa joto ni bagino kaham koktuma bongke job fair ngai buskang salo 10 December 2024 timing ke 11 am to 5 pm aboke job fair ngai buskang ni salo amoke beni oror jak tongo ground floor Srama Bhavan office line Agartala oke job fair ngai abongke dating ke 10 December 2024 tam job titles tong sungtabuk nailenai or job titles tongo kabangma vacancy bo tongo pulau tongo job title financial advisor vacancy tongo ro 30 nos 3 sta post tongo anga place anga abo Agartala ona posting klainai permanent salary tongnai ojaga 20,000 approx ojaga mention khlaijak qualification angke madhyamik pass angke apply khlaimanai oro experience nangya age limit angke maximum 60 years jorte apply khlaimanai angke employer angke oro name company angke Max Life Insurance Company limited ojaga mention khlaijak tongo next tongo sales executive aronke 20 ta nos tongo 20 nos angke Agartala place no amabo sakri posting klainai angke ama permanent salary aro mention khlaijak 8,000 to 12,000 obaike mention khlaijak tongo angke amongka 12 pass ba graduate ojo apply khlaimanai experience ojaga sano 1 to 2 years automobiles industry abahai khlaifajak experience gana hangke ojaga preferable rojaknai hingke two wheeler logi tongna nangnai scooty rok eba bike age limit hingke maximum 40 years jorte apply khlaimanai hingke company ni mung hingke Progressive Automobiles Private Limited Tata Motors next tongo ojaga SR Service Technician abongke 5 ta post tongo omobo Agartala ono posting klainai salary hingke oro 10,000 to 15,000 qualification ka ITI eba diploma mechanical abahai khlaijak hingke o job interview one ro attend khlaimano hingke ojaga experience ka 5 to 10 year in automobile industry preferable ojaga mention khlaijak tongo experience tongkangke tebo preferable rujaknai maximum 40 years jorte apply khlaimanai hingke company ke same obonongnai next tongo service advisor supervisor team leader abongke 5 ta nos tongo 5 nos hingke Agartala posting klaina omobo hingke permanent salary tongnai 10,000 to 15,000 abongke qualification nangnai diploma ba BE diploma mechanical experience oro minimum 3 years preferable rujaknai 3 years tongkangke maximum 35 year jorate apply khlaimanai hingke company mungke abono tongnai same next tongo quality inspector DET ojaga ka 2 ta nos tongo 2 nos Agartala posting klainai omobo hingke permanent salary 15,000 graduate eba ke BTech diploma mechanical abahai qualification tongna nangnai minimum 1 year jara experience tongnai bongna preferable rujaknai hingke 35 year jorate apply khlaimano hingke company mungke same abono tongnai next hingke service manager assistant workshop manager 2 nos tongo ojaga 2 ta post Agartala posting klaina amobo hingke salary tongnai service manager ni bagui ke 25,000 ni simi 30,000 assistant workshop manager ke 20,000 permanent salary tongnai qualification ojaga M diploma eba ke BE diploma ba BTech diploma mechanical obahai qualification tongka o job ni bagai apply khlaimanai eba ke interview rimanai experience ojaga mention khlaijak service manager ni bagai 10 to 12 year assistant workshop manager ni bagai ke minimum 3 years preferable rujaknai eba ke mention khlaijak tongo maximum 45 years jorate apply khlaimanai ke company ke same abono tongnai ojaga mention khlaijak tongo Next tongo business development executive abongke 10 nos tongo 10 ta post hingke abongke posting klaine Agartala North and South Tripura oke posting klaine hingke ajaga mention khlaijak permanent salary tongnai 16,000 plus TA up to 20k incentive abaike mention khlaijak tongo jara graduation complete khlaijak bongna preferable rajangnai hingke oro 1 to 3 years sales experience tongkhangke tebo chanai o jaga mention khlaijak tongo hingke two wheeler tongno nangnai scooty eba ke bike tongno nangnai maximum 30 years jorte apply khlaimano hingke company ni mung hingke o jaga mention khlaijak PhonePe Private Limited o jaga mention khlaijak tongo norok nainai di next tongo rural team leader abongke tunus tongo duita post aboke Agartala posting khlainai Agartala tai Dharmanagar hingke bini permanent salary oro mention khlaijak tongo 70,000 plus TA 10,000 incentive o jaga mention khlaijak tongo hingke qualification ke graduation 2-3 years minimum team handle capacity in sales two wheeler require o jaga mention khlaijak tongo hingke maximum 32 years jorte apply khlaimanai hingke company mungke same obono tongnai ke taibo kahamke oro sina bagui norok o PDF download khlainai di aro kwbangma mention khlaijak tongo biodata rok talang thangdi PRTC NCS card PAN card voter ID card abo hairok kwbangma mention khlaijak tongo norok omorokno kahamke porinai di PDF download khlaina bagui norok link direct mannai video ni description thangdi norok ar thangka aro direct link rijak tongo norok click khai download khlainai di friends songjara qualification rok milinai norok job attend khadiaro interview oke 10 December 2024 abongke ground floor Srama Bhavan office line Agartala oke thangai norok 10 December oke thangai norok ajaga ke interview ni bagai attend khlaimano norok thangai jara qualification milnai rok friends songke ba ani YouTube channel no tini pula nai tongke kebo subscribe khai kongke subscribe khaina di te bell icon sina tapung di kodal video upload khapiru notification thang sogina bagai